Hello, hello. How are you doing, Lumineers? Welcome, Ro. Welcome, Kingpin. How are you doing, Deceptive Damsel? Welcome, men. And apparently we do have some button kick. Well, we need... it was already covered. Apparently we have moderators over here.
Aye, go. Aye, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more energy, more footwork, more footwork, more footwork, more passion, more energy, more energy. Aye, 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 easy now, just cool now, more.
Had to wait to talk. Yeah, I know you. You have this entrance that puts me to this this scene. I modified to not go to the previous scene, so if I want to go to a different scene after that, I will go. So that was modified. But I was still gonna trigger this scene until I'm actually trying to make it in custom code. But today I think we're gonna do some more overlays. If you guys have any questions for us so far for the new version of 8.7. And yeah, I'm trying to build kind of a game, but I think I need to actually create some images from scratch, or just to grab them from somewhere, because I don't have like cart images, I don't have like road images. I need also some lightning effect. You're gonna see what I'm trying to build. So I didn't write any code so far. It's just from scratch. I already talked with my GPT assistant, and yeah, we're getting close to it. So I've been having this idea today, and we're going back and forward, and how to do the animations and where to implement it. But I am still not having the images, so I'm gonna have to do some search and find them. Just installed it myself. What, the AI, the GPT? You already have it built in Lumia, but you also can use it directly on the ChatGPT website. Or you are talking that you installed the alpha version. Yeah, I'm currently on the alpha version. There was some mini bugs that needed to be addressed, and I'm gonna test afterwards if they're fixed or not with alpha. It's not a public beta right now, but we're always developing and introducing either new features or fixing bugs. So we're always here to support you guys and also do your requests. We appreciate you, Denzel. You know, but you guys are the best part of Lumia. Don't ever forget that. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. So. Alright. Chris should be coming soon, so you can show the spin wheel again. I already gave her exactly the prompt that I was using on the stream on Saturday. So that's exactly the code that I had. I don't think I have it over here. Maybe I still have it. Let me go and check. No, we didn't. I don't think we even saved it. No. We were just showing inside, so we didn't save anything. Hey, how are you doing, cam views? Oh, Chris is there. Chris, did you try the code that I sent you on Discord? Did it work? I'm very curious if it worked, because like you saw on Saturday stream, I was just giving it one prompt and automatically made it for us. So I didn't have to place not even a line of code from my side, which is great actually. And yeah, well, regarding this overlay, since we had Ahad here and he saw the stream that we had, apparently the commands were here. So you can do the songs like this. So for example, if I go and open it, so it was not a bug. Can you actually make it work, Cove, from your end? Because if I post over here, oh, there you go. Did it triggered? Don't think it triggered. Let me place it in the browser source. Maybe that should work. Browser. What was the resolution for it? 700 by 500. Okay, I have it placed in the center of the screen. Does it has also a custom an ID? Oh, it does. Okay. I don't know if it's me or... I can actually go and see what is happening in the logs. So can you try it again and see if something pops up from chat? Yeah, I don't have any output for it. All right. You can wait on your... Check it on your side. All right, so... If you do have questions, please free to interrupt me at any time. I'll read all of them. Don't forget that you can type !Q followed by your question. I'm gonna place it in our queue list, and then I can basically not forget it. Somebody asked the question over there. I'm not home to try it, and I have to switch out the commands to do different commands. Yeah, you can do whatever commands you want, except if you want to change the colors of the wheel or to place an image over there, then yes, you have to modify a bit the code. If you just want to have, I don't know, green will do that, blue will do that, yellow will do that, and red will do that. You can make it work as it is right now, and you just have to modify from the config tab, basically the commands from there. I'm doing good. I hope that my internet and my power stays on. We're currently in a storm with thunderstorm and ice droplets, and yeah, it's kind of messy outside right now, but hopefully everything will gonna be good. So we'll see how it's gonna end up. If you do want to play the drone dash, in the meantime, I'll do we have it updated over here? No, we don't have the updated version, but I do have the updated code for this one. So give me a second to add it. And then I'm gonna be placing it on the screen so you guys can actually play with it, since it's the most interactive that we have currently. So we need this one. And now we're gonna need to modify some JavaScript over here. I had the right version on my side, on my account, but not on this one. So I'll just add the modification that were done. I checked the code quite a bit. I don't know if he made any modifications to it, but at least I'm gonna have the ones that I know he made. Okay. Update. Where's destroy? Render, destroy. This needs to go there. Over here, and we need to start with hide game and preview changes. There we go. I just don't like it down there. We're gonna place it. It was top, and it was a break line. There we go. And also, I think it was text. Text align center. Yeah. Save it. Okay, so the modifications are done. Let me actually place it here. Browser, drone dash. Oh, I have it twice now. Oh, give me a second. I need to close this one. Oh, there you go. You want to see something cool, Cove? I told you we implemented shooting on it. So let's see if I can actually join with my with the Lumia account. There you go. And you're about, so 0 degrees shoots left, then 9 degrees shoots top, 18 degrees shoots right, and you are fire 4, fire 6. There you go. Got destroyed. Now, so basically how the shooting mechanism works, I'm gonna be about 10 or 11. And instead of right, it's R2. You have to shoot 11 or 12 to hit me. So 0 degrees means shooting left. Then fire 9 will gonna be 90 degrees from that position from left. So we're gonna shoot up. 18 we're gonna shoot to the right. 27 we're gonna shoot to the bottom, and everything in between. I think we should do like a circle around with numbers for it to be easier. It should be a clock. Yeah, like shooting at 12 o'clock, shooting at 1 o'clock. Okay, so you can play with drones while we're actually creating a new overlay. And I think we did. If I go over here, yeah. If where is it? If the game, I don't think it's set over here. I don't think we placed it in the configuration. I think by default, if 60 seconds have passed and there's no drones on the screen, automatically it goes to like end game and just shows exclamation mark drone to start the drone dash. But yeah, since now you have a game over there and you have something to do, please type exclamation mark Q followed by your question so I can actually track the chat. Oh, you're getting close. It's like fire, but 18 or 7. Oh, Cove got him. Cove got him. I was thinking if we were placing just like clockwise, and you have just 12 digits to actually shoot, gonna be a lot more gap between the so for example, you're gonna miss it at 1 o'clock and you're gonna miss it at 2 o'clock. So if we're not adding like a float variable over there to go with the decimals, then you're gonna miss it every single time. It's gonna be very hard to shoot. And actually the bullet is so small you barely can see it. Oh, that's revenge. Oh, it's so fun. Alright, you guys play there. I'm creating a new overlay. So how should we actually name this one? How should we name this one? I'll just gonna call it cart until I'm figuring with something better. I don't know right now. I'm lack of inspiration of finding names for a game. So as default, we're gonna go with a custom layer, and we want this one to go full screen. And we're gonna place everything back over here, so we're gonna call it cart for now. Make sure that you place your code ID over here on the top left. And I'm just gonna place my code from the things that I talked with GPT for the entire day. Okay. I'll see if it's working by default. I don't think so because it doesn't have any images for a cart or anything. But even with that, yeah, we have type cart to join the race directly showing on the screen. I don't know if that works. Let me check. What's cart doing right now? Oh, so it shows a small thingy over there, but yeah. So max racer number of lanes 6. Min racers to start 2. Can somebody type exclamation mark cart, please? I just want to see what's happening over here. Yeah, we're just in this corner, all tied together over here. Base speed, boost duration, spin duration, finish, win points, seconds before reset. and when it starts, how it starts. I'll need to check the code. Okay. There's so much things. So it's getting the platform, it's getting the message, it's getting the key, it's getting the user, it's getting the user avatar over here, and it's doing a cart push. Join the lobby or cart. Okay. So what if I do... What happened if I do boost? Oh, that starts another thing. Sorry. Yeah, we're gonna make it for sure. So it says minimum racers to start 2, but over here it's just placing the names on top of each other. So that doesn't really show properly. And why it's that? It has track and has a cart, hazards, and lights. Okay. So it has a track, and here it's a road, and of course... Oh, it's the entire thing road. And then it has lanes. 6 lanes. And then it's using another sprit over here that we don't have. ChatGPT does a bad job in racing. Well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see about that. All right. So I need a lane. Video game. Lane. Horizontal. Let me check what's bringing it in. Okay, I can work with this. It's kind of bad, but I still can work with it. I really don't want to have it like full screen, because if I place the lanes, then this should be an entire scene altogether, right? So you're gonna kick out the streamer and you're gonna see the guys karting, but it should last for like 3 minutes and then should return back. So maybe this is a good for a redemption or something. Alright, so I think I'm gonna create it myself. Instead of using anything, I'm gonna go in my Photoshop and do it. Hey, Valor Gaming, welcome. Surprised you haven't made a golfing game by now? I'm not making golfing games. I am not making golfing games. They're too complicated. There are too many things over there. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I need about this amount for a lane. I don't know. I'm just gonna place some colors just to. Why that don't work? New layer. That's why. Okay. It's gonna be pretty basic right now. Needs a bit smaller, but we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna select all of them and then shrink it a bit. Okay. So I want to see what's this. These are 2 lanes over there. That's not fine. We need to remove one. I'm gonna remove both of them. Okay, now we have all our lanes. What's happening with this one? Why it's 2 colors? Oh, I know why. There we go. Missed the spot. What we're doing today, some kart racing. I'm trying to build a mini kart game where you guys can join and you can, the winner will gonna win points. And then people in the chat can bet on their preferred driver. the cards will automatically play. You're not gonna have control about them, but you're gonna have some things to do, like I want you to either use channel points or Lumia loyalty points or even bits to actually either place a banana and slow the other one down, either to trigger a lightning effect and slow everybody down, and also boost. So that's why I'm trying to build today. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it tonight. This is a big one, so don't expect me to finish it tonight, okay? Do not expect it to be finished tonight. So right now I need to actually... Why it's not selecting everything? Oh yeah, let's do this. Let's merge all this into a layer. I cannot merge it. Why not? Oh, merge layers. There we go. So now we have this big block, but that one got removed from the bottom. Darn. That's annoying. So I think that should be a fit. All right. So I'm not now just trying to create the lanes because we are missing it. Can you stop joining, clicking? There you go. If everything works, I'll gonna modify the aesthetics of it. I'm just more interested on the actual functionality, but I also need some visuals. Right. Alright, so now we have 6 lanes. I know that they're not different colors and they're not looking good, but we're gonna go with this for now. So merge layers. Alt Control Shift W. We need the PNG. I'm gonna save it as lanes. Right. Let's go back over here. Yeah, nothing happened. Asset manager. Let's upload my lanes. My terrible looking lanes. So I can copy the URL. David Sonboy, welcome in. And we need to, I think it's hard coded, right? They didn't place it in a configuration. Card split URL. Oh, just the card. It's there. Rest of it, it's in here in the code. Well, it's not too much code, which is good. Oh, it's in the CSS directly. Oh yeah. Okay, road. Here's your road. So I have our roads placed. But why? It shouldn't show, right? The road, it shouldn't show. Like the track itself. Alright. It'll gonna be modified. So we need a banana. A small, nice looking banana, cartoonish. Splitted. That's what we need. Let me just grab it. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, I'm glad that I'm not sharing everything right now. I was just searching for the images on the website, and apparently I got some really nasty images when I was looking on their spreads. We don't need it to be big, right? So let's go and add our banana. It didn't download. Okay, now it will. But it has a background. Darn. All right, let's remove the background. I'm just gonna do it with magic tool. This is gonna be a rough banana. Right. Hey, Arding, Bo. Welcome in, welcome in. The drone, it's on screen. I added modifications for the start on Lumia as well. I don't know if you worked on the radial numbers showing on for firing system. But right now I'm building a different game. And this is gonna be like a kart mini game that people can join and drive. Well, not drive, but they're gonna be able to boost themselves, place bananas to eat their opponents, and light them down to actually try to win. Okay, so that's done. This is the banana URL. Doesn't appear right now. There's no other things. And in here, I think it's just one more needed. It's the cart itself. But how are we gonna show also the name? Because they're gonna be small. They're allowed to be 12 people inside. We do have a question there. Let me actually answer that before we move on. So Trek, would you happen to know how is it possible that sometimes some bits are paid for but not registered by Lumia, causing the viewer to lose their bits without triggering any effects? I literally didn't had this one happen. I I've been heard that some people having that issue. But if it didn't registered, are you sure your connection was actually online? So when you go to your Lumia and check in the dashboard, you are gonna see the connections over here. If one of them are not green while you're streaming, for example, Kik, YouTube, Twitch, whatever platform you're streaming on, then Lumia basically it's not listening to them. They work 80-20. And you are not seeing them in your logs. So for example, you should see them over here or in your event list. They're not showing in the event list. If that's happening to you, yeah, what version are you? Trek. Not on event list of Lumiastream, so definitely didn't capture the event there. So on what currently version are you? I'm currently on alpha version, so this is not publicly available. I'm on 8.7.1 alpha, but I need to test the things before it's publicly for you. I'll update to the newest version. I'm on 8.7.0. Perfect. Try to reconnect, like remove your Twitch connection and add it back, and see if that should fix your issue. Alright, if that happens again, please let us know. Drop a ticket in the Discord or in community support, and we're gonna be helpfully coming in and see what's happening there. All right. Back to cart. We need a cart right now. We need a cart. We don't have a cart. And since we're moving from left to right, I think we need, well, actually it doesn't really matter because we're going to be seeing it from a 2D perspective, so from up anyway, and that will going to be easily to be found. Give me a second. So cart. Okay. And I need a cart that needs to be 2D from up. That's the best one to do. Oh, I think I have one. Oh, I'm gonna make this one really nice. Okay, where's that one? Why you click on an image on a website to see a image, but when you click it, there's that image, it's not there. Okay, I'm gonna save it like as it is. And just drag it into my Photoshop. And these squares over here are not transparent. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just select all of them. And now it's transparent. And since I want to rotate it, right, and I don't need it that big, so I'm gonna make a new one just to fit that size. That way it's easier to render as well. So let's save that. And I know this one it's red. But I'll gotta make it multicolor. Don't worry. We're gonna be RGB. We're working with RGB lights. We're gonna make it RGB. So cart. And let's upload that. Yeah, it's not looking really nice. You see the white pixels around it, but this is just the concept. We're gonna make it look nicer if we are finishing everything. So this is just for testing. So right now, where's my layer? What the heck? We didn't save the layer? Oh my god. Really? What the heck we did? We closed the overlay, but we didn't save anything. Oh yeah, at least we have all the things. I'm just gonna place everything back. That's not gonna be a issue because we already have what we had before. And data needs to be empty. Okay, so that's back up. Oh, thank you for cleaning up that part of the screen. And let's add the sprite over here for the cart. So let's copy URL. Let's go in manage fields and let's add the banana and the rest. So banana. I mean, we can go without the tracks for now, because that will gonna be full screen tracks, right? So let's just place the banana over here. All right, can somebody type exclamation cart in the chat? And let's save this one. Not card, cart. Oh, it's outside of the screen. No. It's getting green and it's going, and Cove, it's first, and boost. No, boost. Somebody boost me. Somebody boost me. No, he's winning. You're gonna win. Oh no, I won. How the heck I won? My name was longer, Cove. My name was longer. Boost. Haha. I got myself a boost. It's yeah, you don't have. Yeah, it definitely needs to be longer. Get a banana. I sent you a banana over there. I got boosted because of it. How the heck you won? I gave you a banana. No, wait a second. Did I give you a banana? Oh, I said banana. Ah, crap. So you got boosted up, huh? Alright, let's try it again. Darn, you're fast on typing. Alright, let me go over here, because right now finish we're gonna be at Boost factor 1.4. Base speed, we're gonna go with 50. Okay. Boost duration 3 seconds. Spin duration 2 seconds. Min racers to start. We can add 3, so we have 3 guys going in. All right. We need three persons right now. All right. Let me save it, and then you can type exclamation mark card. Oh, look at that! You saw the banana. No! Drop bananas for Cove! Drop bananas for Cove! Ha! Now it's getting better and funnier. But I think it needs... well, there... I think the guys that enter are not allowed to use boost, banana, lightning. And I think the chat should do that. So the chat should use banana anybody or boost anybody, depending on who they want to win. Shorter words of time. No, that we're gonna be floating in the chat. Nah. I'm actually surprised that this was the I talked with GPT quite a bit, but this is the first time I'm trying the code and I didn't modify anything. This worked really well. I'm surprised. Yeah, the progress for it's tremendous. Yeah, the drone is working as well. And you can place over here minimum bracers to start, but it can... I don't think it needs lanes, to be honest. Because if you place, like, you know, nice things over there on top, then basically you're gonna be shutting off the entire stream because it's just taking too much space. Oh, close, Cove. Close. Oh. He got destroyed because he didn't move. Lucky, huh? I'll get the revenge. There you go. You're dead. Finished card game. Right? Well, both of them are fun. Alright. So, do you agree that the guys that are entering the game shouldn't be able to use commands, and the chat should actually do boosting or banana or lightning effects? What do you think? I like being able to type ourselves. Okay. Then, I mean, you can type it yourself, but I wanted that to be like either a channel point redeem, either Lumia point redeem. So to use some points to actually get that. So to not be entirely free, right? I can place it on a point redemption that costs just 1, but it costs like 1,000 Lumia points. I don't think we can do that. Can we do that actually, Cove? To place it on a Twitch channel point reward, and then that channel point reward to also well, actually definitely yes, because we can trigger on the channel point a command that actually removes the points. I don't know if you can do it directly inside. So for example, if I'm in a command right now, in a Twitch point command right now, and I am trying to yeah, you cannot add like its points for Twitch points, but you cannot add also Lumia loyalty currency. But I did like that, but actually the banana worked. I want to test the lightning. Did he implement the lightning as well? Because I actually asked him to do that. So it has a class named light. It creates a div with a class named right, appends to the child. Appends child to the parent. Okay. So lights. Oh, so it gets this lights over here div. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys are blind, you cannot see it. Need to zoom in a bit. So it appends to this div, the lightning, and update lights effect. I don't know what it does over here, but how it's triggering. So if message starts with banana, and states race its start race parts, then it goes and replace at to nothing to lowercase. This is getting the username, and find the card with that one target and drops the banana. Oh my god, this is good. Oh my god, this is good. So this is one when drops the banana. So it's actually pretty good. So it has boost and then joins by card, but I don't see any lightning. I don't see the lightning, so it's not implemented. Yeah. It has update lights though, but I didn't saw any lights. It's making a div class name light, append child dot. Opacity 1, it's making lights. Update lights, children for each, background, step. Did you guys saw any lights? Because I have the lights over here as well. Absolute, top, transform, translate, flex, gap opacity, and then lights should be 60 by 60 pixels. A rounded 60 by 60 pixels. And it's black. FFF, it's white, right? And 000, it's black, or it's the opposite. It is possible code a screen shake effect. Code a screen shake effect. You mean to elements that you already have in OBS? No. In elements that you already have in overlays? Yes. So overlays are not controlling OBS at all. Even I think we even can with Lumia commands, but it cannot control the existing like sources in OBS. But everything that you add into your overlays, yes, you can do shake effects, you can do like lightning effects, you can do whatever kind of effects you want inside here. You just need to know how to program them. Okay, so we don't have lights. Okay, effects trigger, card, no. We're missing. Okay, flash banner, tape GIF, stretch across track. Where's the tape GIF? Do we have a tape? Hazards, no. Results hidden. So he says that he added do we have a GIF over here? No. Oh, okay. We need lighting struck that can be activated by racer. So you still want to have all the options activated by the guys that are playing, right? Not by all the chat. What about reacting to music? Like when the beat drops, the screen shakes. No. I don't think... Well, I'm not going to say it's not possible. I'm just going to say I don't know how to do it. Because, for example, you can place like triggers for what? Decibels for a particular audio channel. And when that audio channel reaches a certain level to actually trigger something. But this is not implemented in Lumia. Maybe it's some extent it's infused, but I don't really know. Okay, so we were at lightning. We are gonna be lightning. Strike that can be activated by a racer on opponent. And that will stop the card completely. Then slowly gaining speed again. All right, let's see what he's doing with the code. Actually, since Cove, since you moved and separated the custom code to the custom overlay assistant, it's a lot more precise. It's a lot more precise than before. So he said, just add the lightning over here. It needs an image for the lightning struck. I'm gonna try to make that. I don't know the size of it. Oh, width and height to be 80 pixels. All right, we'll see what that's gonna do. Then they're adding some configs. Some more configs. And this one needs a comma afterwards. And we need a constant to make the lightning over here. Add two properties in the constructor. Okay, so I like that it's doing it OOP. This is a lot easier to work with. And we need to tweak the update. Where's the update? That's chat. The update should be at the bottom. I don't see any update. Oh, this needs to be added? No. Existing boost. Oh, it's inside here. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's doing stun. Recover left. Else gonna be this boost. Okay. And then we need we need a function for the strike FX above the banana. There we go. There you have it. And then we need a chat handler if the message starts with lightning. Okay. Insert the boost banana before. Yeah, insert the before boost banana. There we go. Good. And then reset race. In the reset race, we need to add where's the reset race? Is still in the no, that's finish race. Reset race. Function reset race. We need to clear our lightning. All right. Good. Good. Except now we need a lightning that has 80 by 80 pixels. Or it's making it 80 by 80 pixels. Okay. So we save that. And now we're gonna search for lightning. I like this one a lot. Oh, I can free download now. Why every single time when it says free download, blah, 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 when you click the free download, it's actually a freaking, you have to make a freaking account to get it. Why is that? Can I download it for free, please? Oh, wow. Did it work? Oh, yes. This looks good. This lighting effect looks good as well. Nice. I don't know how we're gonna look inside our assets, but we're gonna check it out. Where's my lightning? Where's my lightning? Hello? You didn't upload it? What? Wait. Oh, there you go. No, it did. I think I clicked. Card sprite, lighting sprite. Okay, so we have it here. It's easier to save it. All right. Get ChatGPT to create an image. That's what I was doing for my overlays. Yeah, you can actually do that. But I don't know if it's giving it PNG or it's just doing JPEGs. All right, let's try to go in a cart. I'm gonna place it back to 2. This is testing. You can ask for a PNG transparent. Oh, okay. If possible to ask, has the dual overlay been worked on? Yes, it's working. It's working. The version that it's currently on the market, it's already working. And it still needs those commands for dual and accept. I'll try to actually I'll try to modify it, but I don't think it's gonna be this week. So I updated the one that it's currently on the marketplace over there, and that one it's working just nice. Okay, I'm waiting you here. Oh no, wait, because I'm not gonna type lightning. Well, it did stop you for 2 seconds, but I didn't saw the lightning. I didn't saw the lightning. Oh! No! No! Let me go! So it was just stunning it for 2 seconds, but it was not showing an animation or anything. So I'm gonna say to ChatGPT that what's my... Oh wow, 2000 by 6000 pixels. No freaking wonder it was not showed, because if it just takes the 60 pixels from here, from up here, that'll... Oh no, my god, let me... I need to refactor this. Okay, window size, image size. What about 300 and keeping your aspect ratio, please? 300 by 600, 200 by 400, 100 by 200. Okay, that feels good. God damn it. I found a very big picture. Okay, let me export it. Lightning. Okay, bye. Copy URL. And I am gonna say to him that my image size, it's 100 by 215 to GPT to make the effect actually shown for this resolution for the picture. My PNG is 100x px width and 215 px height. When the link is called Flash the screen for 0.2 seconds, showing for 0.5 seconds the PNG. All right, let's see if that understands it. Oh my, the questions are piling up there. Let me answer them. So what date was decided for overlay competition? That was this Saturday on 2nd of August. If possible to ask, was the dual overlay being worked on? I respond that. The drone dash command, what are the general commands to move and operate the overlay? I may have came in a bit late when that was set up. If you go into, well, you have up, down, left, right, but you're gonna type just UDLR. You can do combinations of two, like up, right, down, left, except up, down, and left, right. That will not gonna work for obvious reasons. And then space and the number of seconds for the thrust. So for example, if you're on the left side of the screen and you want to go to the right side of the screen and you press type R1, you're gonna thrust your drone for 1 second to the right. That's how it works. And you have an acceleration time and you have a deceleration time. And then you have another thing called fire. So you can also fire now with the drones. And the aim will gonna be the following. If you type fire space 0, we're gonna just fire left. And then if you type fire 9, we're gonna shoot upwards because it's a 90 degrees. I turned it in a 360 degrees. So you're gonna have fire from 0 to 35 in like a circle. Daily, you can roll back, right? You can roll back. I don't know if that works over there, but you can definitely scroll back to re-listen the thing that I said. So we copy the URL Lumia gives for the asset to be implemented into the code. No. Well, you upload over here in the asset manager, right? Let me zoom in. You click here, asset manager, to upload your thing. After you upload, you have a button for copy URL. And when you do, it's actually giving you the URL that you can place in your overlays because it's already uploaded to our servers. So that's how it's currently working. Let me see what GPT responded. So I asked him to make also a flash when that happens. So I need to add in this track another div for the flash. And then we just append or replace earlier strike. Okay, so we have to remove the strike over here. Yeah. Gonna have to remove this and upload with the one that I have. And as you can see, it's already giving me the exact well, sorry for the big question over there on the screen. I'm just trying to read them. It already updated with my my image size, so 100 width and 215 pixels height. And then it's I don't know what it's doing over here. So it have a variable for the bolt URL that is going from configs bolt URL, I guess. No, it's lightning image. What's with bolt URL? Var bolt URL. Does it declare them somewhere? Var bolt URL center contain no repeat. Okay, he's doing a fade. Looks good. All right, I want to try it again. Want to try it again? I want to see the lightning effect. So if you want to join, type !cart. Right now it's set to just 2 people in the chat, but I can increase that to be a bit more. So first one who types !cart joins. Nobody? JLX frag saved my day. G at G. Oh no. No! It stopped you, but I still didn't saw the flash. Did I timed out somebody by mistake? I just tried to click on OBS and I think I clicked a wrong button. Darn. Let me double check that. Oh, I deleted your message. Whew. I just deleted your message, bro. I'm sorry. I just clicked on OBS and I have Lumia link over there and just deleted your message. Alright, so lightning didn't do anything. So flash didn't do anything. The strike didn't do anything. Okay. The lightning. Stop the cart, but no animation was shown on screen. So he said bolt URL custom property, set property. He was changing. The cart really did stop. The bolt just never rendered because CSS custom property has ended up as URL, which most browsers ignore. Let's swap to simplify a foolproof pattern. Set the background image from JavaScript and CSS only handle the placement timing. Okay. I like that. I prefer everything to be handled by JavaScript than CSS, especially when it comes to animations. Replace existing helper with this. So let's go into the strike FX helpers and just replace them with that and save it. And we're gonna change the command from lightning because that's way too big, especially for testing. So it's not lightning. We're gonna be LI. It's hard to spell the name enough. So if you want to do lightning, it's LI. And we can make the cards go. Oh, we have lightning cooldown, so you cannot lightning strike somebody like it has just you can strike him every 15 seconds. Okay, so base speed we can go even smaller speed like 30. That we're gonna last the race more. All right, so that's been set. Okay, so let's try it again. Let's see if the lightning works now. Ro, you're still here. Let me know if you're still here. Hopefully I didn't time you out. I just deleted the message. Hopefully. Let me know. Say something. Say something. I'll check my Lumia console to see if what was happened there. Do we have it in the logs now? Yeah, I don't really see it. Bro. Bro, are you still here? Say something in the chat. If you are. Alright. I'm gonna go for another card. Try. I want to see that animation. I don't really like that the card actually starts outside of the screen. I understand that it needs to be small, but not that small. Like, come on. Who's gonna join me? Am I still live? Is anybody watching? Is anybody here? Oh, there we go. You, I think are. So give me a lightning strike. Is LI? No, don't boost yourself. LI. Oh, there you go. That's a lightning strike. Except. Oh, crap. That was funny. Connected with your lights? Oh wow. I actually can do that. GLI frag. That's actually a good improvement for it. To have a lightning, but you're gonna trigger for every single lightning for every single user, and that timeout over here for 15 seconds cooldown for lightning, it was not 15 seconds cooldown. Like, come on, I was giving lightning by like 6 seconds after, right? Yeah, it's just LI right now. So that lightning cooldown from here didn't took place. So I'm feeling very lazy. I'm just letting AI to do it for me. So the lighting has a cooldown. That means that user eraser can't be struck by lightning more often than that cooldown. Right? Or no, it should be actually, but the cooldown should be user based. So racer based. Because they were gonna have just a certain amount of lightnings, right? Not by anybody. Maybe not with every LI, just with a hit. What do you mean? It'll always gonna be a hit. It's never gonna miss over here. So lightning will hit always. That means a racer can't be struck. No. A racer can be struck more times, but a user cannot activate lightning more than... Okay, so it should be a user cooldown. I need lightning to be on a user cooldown. Set in the config. I'm gonna implement it, the GLX frag. How should I say your name? Because that's like a tongue twister for me. If you want me to call you Bob or something else, let me know. Because GLIX frag, it's kind of configs entry already added. JavaScript handler cooldown check and set. Okay, global. We have already a global map, right? Yes, lightning cooldown. It's already there. And lightning component. Where's the lightning component? Lightning component. I don't think I have a lightning component. I think that's what was missing. We have a strike effects, but that's fine, right? Yeah, because lightning. Okay. So I don't see a... I am muted? How the heck I was muted? I guess I touched my microphone by mistake. So I was talking here by myself. Thank you for that. Yeah, it has a capacitor, but I think you know. If you touch it, it's actually becoming mute. And I'm not seeing it somewhere. I think I'm going to place a small overlay to show me if I'm muted or not. That's going to be great. So I would know that, hey, you're freaking muted. Okay, so now since we covered the cooldown for the lightning strike to not be that often, so you cannot do lightning strikes like one after the other. Let's call it back LI because it's easier like that. And I want to say the lightning image currently renders in the center of the cart. I want the bottom part of the image to be centered with the cart. It's just a little CSS change over here. It must be just a little CSS over there. So should we do just translate 50 minus 100? Oh yeah, that's exactly what he did. So he's doing instead of 50 50 50 100. Now we're gonna place it at the bottom, and nothing else changed. Okay. So you ready to test the lightning now, Cove? I'm ready to test it out. So cart. I really want to show the entire LI ahead. Bam. Oh, that worked really nice. Yeah, I couldn't do it again. Oh my god, so many bananas. It's not lightning, it's LI. It's just LI. I reduced because lightning, it was freaking annoying to type. And I placed a cooldown of 15 seconds for the lightning, so you cannot lighten me like 100 times. But I got lightened as well. So yeah. He cannot win Lumiastream. Yeah. Okay, so now I want to trigger my lights to flash once. And also play a sound when lightning happens. on each lightning, right? So I'm gonna go back on GPT and ask him to do that, because we're training GPT right now, right? That's what we're doing. I want to call Lumia command. Oh no, I can play the sound directly inside. I don't think we can change lights directly inside overlays, right? So we still need a command anyway. So I want to call a Lumia command when lightning happens, and want a sound for when Racer slips on the banana, and also rotate 360 degrees the cart while they are slipping on it. And what else? And enough instructions for now. Winter Tail Spinner. How are you doing? Can I use regex in a chat command alias? No, but you can use regex in a chat match command. So lightning command and sleep sound. We need to add them into our configs over here. Right. That's done. CSS spin animation. So we need to add that. And then play sleep effects and apply spin class inside banana collision loop, the race update section. Okay. So we're gonna go here. And if mat, where's that? It should be here, but it's not. Let me search for this. Where is this? Oh, I found it. It has here case pen. It placed it on the same row. It's hard to read for me. I'm an old-fashioned guy. Please leave my indentation. I can add an alias into a chat command, but I'm trying to determine exactly how its string matches against chat lines. I think I answered that. You can use regex, but only in chat match. And on chat match, it listens to the entire length of the message. So if that regex it's triggered, then it will trigger your command. It works exactly like a normal command, but it's actually listening to all the message. So if your regex is triggered, then the command is played. But not a regular chat command. You can place aliases, but you cannot place regex inside alias. Okay, so we have that there. Now it's time to modify the code. So after case spin over here, we're gonna play the sound effect. So I'm gonna play the new audio directly inside here. And then start CSS spin. I'm gonna leave the comments because why not? It's gonna be easier to debug in case something wrong happens. Okay. And then we have exactly that. And in the cart update, add after recover left logic. After in the cart update DT. Cart update DT after recover logic. Okay, so after recover logic, so before boosting, put it before you set this speed to base speed. This speed to base speed. This dot speed equals, where's this speed? Oh, config base speed. Oh, in the recover. Okay. After recover logic. Okay. There we go. And then call Lumia command on Lightning overlay call command inside the chat handler. Okay. So inside the strike FX. Where's my strike FX? Oh, this is getting big fast, guys. In the strike FX card, we're gonna just need to place it to do an overlay trigger. Overlay call command, not here. Inside the Lightning chat handler. Oh, okay, inside here for the Lightning. Okay, I gotcha. So where it says Lightning, LI, here I have to place it down. Okay. Counterparts, if parts length, blah, blah, blah. Lightning, restart cooldown. Well, it needs to have two parts over here, so if car's done. Okay, so we made sure that it's after the cooling period. If card, I don't think we need that. If card's done. Oh, I need if card as well. Okay. Oh, this just looks ugly. Oh, don't delete that. There we go. Now it looks a bit better. Hey, welcome, TJ. How you doing? Okay, optional sample zap fx command export. What? You don't even have the thunder. He tried to give me a... Oh, yeah. So we're gonna save this one. And over here, we should have a slip within a banana slip. I hope you're not hearing this. Alright, this is not bad. I'm gonna download this one. And we're gonna add it over here. Copy URL. And we're gonna place inside here my MP3. And it doesn't show the command over here. Why not? Don't tell me all my modifications over here are not saved. Don't tell me I clicked X. Do not tell me. Now it has card spin image. Okay. Making sure. Yeah, everything is here. Whew. I thought I didn't save it, but why the hell? Oh. So I did place a lightning command. So where is it? ZapFX. Ah, okay. So it called it ZapFX. Okay. We're gonna make it ZapFX. So what we're doing now, we're gonna go in our commands. And we're gonna add a command. We're gonna call it ZapFX because that's how it should be called. And we're gonna apply. We're gonna search for a really thundering stuff. So let's go into the community, animations, thunder. Let's see it. This one doesn't have a sound. This one has a sound. Which one do you like better? This one? Or this one without the sound? Choose your poison. Thunder left or thunder right? I'm waiting. There's also another one. Oh, I like this one better. A lot better. No wonder it has 1,100 viewers with downloads. This is not bad either. But I think this one is actually better. So I'm gonna go with this one. That's my gifted sub sound. Alright, so I'll download this one. Including with the sound. Refresh. And we're gonna go to the ZapFX. Actually, we don't even need to. We can delete this one. We're just gonna copy the name because that's what we all need to do. So I'll delete that. I'm gonna go in our thunderstorm and place ZapFX. And now we're ready for another test. Who wants to test with banana sounds, lightning strike sounds, and also lightning movement as my lights are going crazy? Let's try it out. So going into the overlays. Overlays. So type exclamation mark card to join. All right, I'm there. It didn't trigger anything. Oh, code ID is required. Code ID is required. But you're spinning. The banana works. So for some reason, the command didn't trigger. You want the banana cooldown as well? Yeah, apparently code ID is required. I received the error. I thought I placed card over here as a code ID. Didn't want to actually work. Yeah, I placed a lot of bananas, as you can see over there. Banana, 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 banana. But wait a second, Cove. I want to see why didn't trigger the command. It's because they didn't have an ID. Let's try it again. Really? Okay. Light me. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna let him win this time. Yeah, but it doesn't turn all the way every single time. So it just did it once with the banana. Like it did it to you right now. But it did it only once. Remove the chatbot message from Lightning. Yeah. It's there by default. When it creates. No, he was just triggering the lights with the lightning strike on the card. Any more additions, guys, to this one? Let's see if more people are joining, how a game will be, because on 2 I understand, but on 6, do we have 6 people right now to join? We need 6 volunteers to join the cart. Just type !cart in the chat. Now let's see how it's going. We have 3. It's with the K, not C. It's cart, not cart. Okay, we have 4. 5. We need 1 more. Somebody type !cart in chat, please. You're right there, Frag. You're already there. We need one more. One more. Oh, can I join with Lumiastream from the other platform? Because it's username and platform. Yeah. Okay, I'll join twice. There you go. Go, 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 go. Now I didn't trigger. Oh, again, code ID? I didn't save it. I didn't save the code ID. I'm sorry. Oh, there are 2 Lumia streams. There are 2 Lumia streams. The other Lumia stream was not triggered. It was the... Oh, you couldn't get it? Even if it was... Oh, you just did the at Lumiastream from Twitch. Yeah. The other one is different. But why didn't save the code ID? I think I just closed it without hitting save over here. Well, somebody striked you, bro. And nobody striked Lumia. But yeah, it's actually quite entertaining, to be honest. And we did all this in what? In 2 hours and 14 minutes. 2 hours and 14 minutes, and we are at this currently position with the minigame. Let's place it to free. Okay, it's saved to free players only. You guys play. I'm gonna sit out. And I don't know. Should we actually place the cards to go all the way up to actually show the name as well? Because right now they're currently outside of the canvas. I think we should move it more to the right. And the one that touches the last line should go. There you go. Cam views, row, and cove. Oh, cam views was struck. Row was struck. A banana for row. Row, type LI. I had cove. Type LI. I had cove. If not, I'll gotta type it. Oh my god, so many bananas. Oh, Cam was at the end. But still, he won. Well done, Cam. Well done, Cam. All right. So, do you have anything else to add on this one? So, what else do you want to do? What else you want to add on this one? Come with ideas. I'm all ears. After the stream, I'm gonna upload it to the marketplace, including with a command for Cove. If I include the command for the lightning, it doesn't automatically include the scene, right? I don't think so. They still have to download it if they want the exact same scene. Yeah, makes sense. It's just gonna create the command for them. But I'm gonna place it in the reinstallation requirements to actually that command is just in case they want to trigger light effects or anything, or whatever they want to do with that command when a lightning gets struck. But if you don't have any ideas right now, I'm out of ideas. I don't know what to do anymore. Except, you know, to place the card entirely on the screen at the beginning. Oh, I said I would make the cards RGB. I said I would make the cards RGB. Let me do that. Put Lumia logo on those cards? Oh, I can. Where? Over here? Right on top? All right. I think I have too many Lumia things over here. I'm not gonna be able to find it. Just the logo. No problem. That's why we have Discord. That's why we have Discord, and in Discord we have something called assets. Logo. And I want the gradient. You want the gradient one? I think you want the gradient one. Wait, I'm not seeing my OBS, so I don't know. All right. Let me download that. Eraser tool. Or here? I think here it's better. What do you say? On the back or on the front? And on the back, I can actually make it bigger. Like this. That looks better. Control Shift W. Export. Cards 2. Lumia card. Okay. Easy step to actually change that. Asset manager. Upload files. Lumia card. Copy the URL. And inside here, we have the card sprite. And now that's changed. And I want to make it fully RGB card, including your logo. We're gonna make it all the lights, all the colors, because we wouldn't be Lumia if we're not using colors. Enlightened. Alright, so after existing card, image card spin rules. I don't have a card spin. I can just place anywhere I want the CSS, buddy. Believe me. Alright, let's save it. Let's make sure we still have the card. We do have the card ID. And now let's join one more time to the card. We already see different colors over there, but they're both changing at the same time. Kind of. I don't want to change it at the same time. I'm gonna change that. Okay, we need one more to start the race. See how it goes. Oh, it is different lights, different colors. Nice. Look at that. Get struck! Oh my god! Bananas! No! 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 Go! Go, card, go! I still won! Oh my god, okay. That was close. That was a close one. I think Ro has a bit of a delay. Alright, so the winner actually gets 100 points, and since I won a couple of times, if I go into my loyalty points users, I'm already having 5k over here points. So the points are given. I think right now the streamer doesn't get any points, but with this mini games, even the streamer gets points. So I earned a lot from the drones, and now the rest it's from the card, basically. But yeah, if you don't have any other ideas, we're just gonna end the stream right here. We're gonna upload this one to the marketplace, and we're gonna call it a night. Only if you do not have any other ideas to add to this game. Cart. We're gonna insert the command as well, which is ZapFX. And I need a description for it. Let's see, create a markdown description. I changed the lightning to be just LI due to for faster typing. So that was pretty fast. I was not hoping that I would finish not even close to where we are right now. Not even close. Let's see. Wow, look at how nice it created. So emoji card derby overlay. That's how he thought it was gonna be called. Emoji card derby. No. Card derby overlay. Card trace overlay. Okay, cart race overlay, live commands, join race with exclamation mark cart, boost, banana peel, banana user, lightning strike, LI user, lightning cooldown, freezes target cart for stun duration, then it is back for recover duration, triggers ZapFX Lumia command. Okay, note all the card sprites continuously use fuse shift via CSS while sweeping. I don't think we need to say that, buddy. I don't think we need to say that. Remove the note. They're all gonna find that it's actually RGB. Automatic flow, lobby, prompt, invite, card, min cards reached. Cooldown starts, ticks 3, 2, 1, race, finish, reset, overlay, clears, reset delay, and opens the lobby again. Okay. Configurable items, installation, create a new custom overlay in Lumiastream, paste the provided code. It doesn't need to paste anything, buddy. It does not need to paste anything, okay? Because that's why we're importing. Import or create ZapFX command. If you'd like extra audio visual flair on lightning hits, okay, that's perfect. Press save and test, and the overlay URL as a browser source in OBS. And let's chat race. Ready, start, set, there be. All right. That's a pretty good description. I just need an image for it. I'm gonna make it market available. I'm gonna remove this, and we're gonna load the file. I'm gonna place the Lumia card. Perfect. Review and upload. ZapFX. It's included in the commands. Upload overlay. Admin approved it. So it's available for download if you want to test it out. Redeem join raffle. We don't have any raffle right now. Oh, we just we created that to show how to join a raffle, to make a raffle join via Twitch point command. I forgot to remove it or unlink it from our previous streams. So I'll need to delete that. All right. Guys, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all. And as always, have a luminous day. Bye, everybody. Love you all.
This is what you need. Time to get Lumiastream. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumiastream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumiastream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumiastream. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumiastream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumiastream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumiastream. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumiastream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumiastream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumiastream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to